Alright YouTube, I got this 2014 Dodge Durango. Took it engine out right here. Exhaust manifold still in there. AC compressor is still hooked up. The harness lines all pushed to the side over here. Remove the dipstick. Remove the hook prop. Make sure you don't damage the hood. I got the new engine here in the black box. Old engine out here holding steady. Show you guys the new bad boy right here. Gotta swap over the front cover, valve covers, secondary oil pan, and primary oil pan. Swap those over, get this back in there. So no AC removal on this, guys. Should be all good with that. Keep you guys posted.